Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law and probate attorney in New York. Today's topic. I was brought in to consult on a case today that really seemed to have a law school fact pattern. Sometimes when there's a complicated interweaving of facts and law, lawyers will refer to something as a law school fact pattern. And that's because in the final exams that we would receive in law school, there would be a narrative that would involve a number of different areas of law. For example, a couple just married, were buying a house, and on the way to or right after the house closing, they got into an accident, and the driver of the other car was from the state of Washington, and it was not just an out-of-state driver, it was an out-of-state vehicle owned by a corporation, so on and so forth. And then you have to parse the facts and the law and answer to the best of your ability. So the case that I was brought in to consult on is a situation where a private individual entered into a contract of sale to sell a property. While still under contract to sell this property, transferred the property into a trust. And then prior to a closing date, that person passed away. You see the dilemma. Now the buyer wants to continue with the transaction, and they have really three intervening events. The seller transferred the property to a trust. So that's one event. And then the person passed away. That's the second event. And then the third event is really that the family members of the trust beneficiaries and family members of the private individual, they don't want to sell. So I'll cut right to the bottom line. The contract is still enforceable. Really and truly, that person should not have transferred the property to the trust. And what I believe will happen is that the trust beneficiaries will have to enter into some kind of negotiation to sell the property, but they will have to honor the contract sales price. That's my professional opinion. If you'd like me to consult on your specific question or concern, please reach out to me through my website, frankbrunolaw.com. Thank you.